Hello students, today we are going to do the topic spectrum and dispersion of light. Light of different colors have the same speed in air but different speeds in a medium other than air. If the light entering in a prism is polychromatic, that means the mixture of several colors, then the emergent beam too has different colors arranged in a definite order. In visible light, violet color is deviated the most and the red color is deviated the least because the speed of violet light is least and that of the red light is the most. And we call white light as polychromatic light because it is a combination of 7 different colors. To find out how the color is dependent on wavelength and frequency, we'll be discussing about it. The white light emitted from a source consists of light of different wavelengths. The light of different colors produce the sensation of different colors on the retina of our eye, so we perceive them as different colors. The prominent colors in white light are VIBGYOR: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The word VIBGYOR is used to represent different colors of polychromatic light. Different colors have different wavelength, and please remember the wavelength is a characteristics of color irrespective of its origin. That means light of the same color obtained from different sources will have the same wavelength. In other words, we can say color is the subjective property of light related to its wavelength. In a spectrum of white light, red color has the longest wavelength, 8000 angstrom, or the lowest frequency, whereas the violet color has the shortest wavelength of 4000 angstrom and highest frequency. Now coming on to what is dispersion of light. We can easily give a simple definition. The phenomena of splitting up of white light into its constituent colors by a prism is known as dispersion of light. Or we can give the definition in a different way also. The phenomena of splitting up of white light by passing the white light through an equilateral prism into its constituent colors, that means VIBGYOR, is known as dispersion of light. On passing the white light through an equilateral prism, the band of 7 colors which is obtained on the screen is known as spectrum, because the colors in the spectrum are overlapping. The boundaries of the colors are not separated clearly, and near the boundaries the colors overlap each other. So such a spectrum we call it as impure spectrum. If you are asked to write the colors of a spectrum, then starting from the side of the base of the prism, the order of colors in the spectrum on the screen is denoted by the word VIBGYOR, meaning the colors will be violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Newton was the scientist who concluded that white light is a mixture of number of colors of wavelengths. That means the white light is a polychromatic light, or we can say due to different wavelengths of the colors, we call white light as polychromatic light. Or in other words, we can say white light is polychromatic in nature. In the spectrum, each color is mixed with the other color. There are no sharp boundaries. Therefore, as I said before, the type of spectrum formed is called an impure spectrum. We can give a simpler definition also for an impure spectrum, like a spectrum with overlapping colors is known as an impure spectrum. Now the question arises, what is the cause of dispersion of white light? You can give a very simple explanation for this. Like, light of different colors travels with different speed in a medium, which is the basic cause of dispersion of light. The violet color of light is deviated the most because the speed of violet light is minimum. Therefore, the refractive index of glass for the violet color of light is maximum. Therefore, maximum deviation. Red color of light is deviated the least because the speed of red color is maximum in glass and refractive index of glass is minimum for red color of light. Therefore, least deviation. Always remember that dispersion of white light occurs only at the first surface of the prism, and deviation of light occurs at both the surfaces of a prism. Most of the time it is asked, how can you say these colors are present in the spectrum? Is the prism producing these colors or there is some other reason behind it? So you have to remember this. A prism does not produce colors, but it only splits the various colors which are already present in white light which is incident on it. So when the white light is incident on the prism is splitting these colors into different colors. That means from the surface, the colors get separated due to the speed of different colors is different in the glass medium. So to prove this, we have an experiment which has been shown here. If you see, in the first prism, the white light is made incident and the light splits up into 7 colors. Just to simplify the diagram, the middle colors are not shown. So what we do, we see the splitting of colors and all the 7 colors, they reach the screen. Then we make a small pinhole and allow only one of the color to pass through the screen and make this color incident on the second prism. If you see carefully, which has been shown inverted here. The inverted prism has been shown so that we can see the deviation easily, right? That's a basic reason. Otherwise, we can take it in a erect manner also. So the blue color of light has been allowed to be incident on the second prism, and you'll observe that the blue color of light is seen on the screen. Because a single color has been made incident on the second prism, so only the same color of light will be seen on the screen. That shows the prism is not producing the colors. Now if we take a color disc, to make that, what we do, we take a cardboard disc and divide it into 7 parts and color it with the same colors as the colors present in a spectrum. If we rotate this disc with a very fast speed, we find that the resultant color is obtained as dull white color.